Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for the week starting today, the 10th of August 2020. If you want to receive those videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button, which is at the bottom right of this video. And before we get started, I'll announce the winner of the contest for the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen, you should see the name of the winner. So congratulations for winning the profile. I will do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate in the contest is to leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube. And the next week I'll randomly pick one winner who will win the flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest, and let's now go into the chart analysis, into the trading ideas. Today I have 4 intraday trading ideas prepared for you, so let's go for the first one, which is on the euro dollar. What you see before you are 3 charts. This one at the top shows fixed weekly volume profiles, so every week a new volume profile gets printed there. I use this setting with a 60-minute chart. Then this chart is a 30-minute chart where I use flexible volume profile. That's the profile which you can move around like this. And the third chart, this one, shows fixed profiles which get printed every 4 hours. And this one is a 15-minute chart. All those charts are linked, so you can see it in here with red color. And this means that all those charts always show the same trading instrument, which is in this case the euro dollar. So anyways, let's get to it. Let's have a look at the trading idea which I have in here. It is a strong resistance, strong intraday resistance in here at 1.1816, and it is based on this significant volume cluster which got followed by this strong selling activity on Friday. Because of this strong selling activity, I think that those volumes within the volume cluster were volumes of sellers who were building up their selling positions there, and afterwards they pushed the price downwards. So when there's a pullback to this level, I think that those sellers are likely to start defending their selling positions, and they're likely to push the price downwards from there again. Now I wouldn't mention this level to you if there wasn't a nice confluence, which you can see in here. This reaction and this reaction, both reactions to this level, which was a strong support. You can tell by those 2 reactions. And now when the price went past the support, it turned into a resistance. Alright, so that's the confluence of the volume profile setup and the price action setup. Now the ideal stop loss for this trade would be a bit wider than with a usual intraday trade. I would suggest placing it at the top of this rejection, which is in here and which is around 30 pips. Alright, so that's the resistance on the euro dollar. Let's now have a look at another trading idea, which is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. So this trading idea is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc, and it is based on heavy volumes which got created in this area right there before the start of this strong selling activity which occurred on Friday. Now I can also move the profile over this whole area like this, and it will still point to this level. As you can see, the heaviest volumes in this whole area were accumulated at 0.6586, and from that place this strong sell-off started. So I think sellers were accumulating their selling positions there, and then they initiated the strong selling activity. So when there's a pullback to this area, I think that those sellers will defend this area, will defend this significant volume cluster, and they'll try and push the price downwards from there again. Now another trading idea which I have for you is on the euro pound, so let's have a look at it. So those charts are the euro pound, and the level which I wanted to show you, the strong resistance, is at 0.9070, and it is based on a weekly point of control. So I best show you on this chart. It's nicely visible there. Let's have a look at this profile, right? The point of control of this whole week was in here. As you can see, this is the place where the profile was the thickest, which means the heaviest volumes throughout this whole week got traded in here. Alright, so I think it was mostly in this rotation. I can show you the volumes on the flexible profile in here. So it's those volumes. So from this place, a strong selling activity started. You can see it in here, or also on a 60-minute chart, you can see the same sell-off in here. So because of this sell-off and because of the strong downtrend, I think that those volumes were volumes of sellers who are building up their selling positions in that rotation, and from there they continued selling and pushing the price downwards. So when the price hits this area again, when there is a pullback, I think that the sellers will try to defend their selling positions, defend the weekly point of control, and to push the price downwards from there again. Now the last intraday trading idea which I wanted to show you in this video is on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. So let's have a look at it. So this is the Swiss franc Japanese yen, and what I wanted to show you in here is a strong support, which is in here at 114.49, and this one is based on very significant volume area, those volumes which got created in this rotation. As you can see from this rotation, the trend changed and there was a strong buying activity, strong buyers pushing the price upwards. So I think that when the price makes it back to this area again, those buyers are likely to defend their buying positions, to become active again, and to push the price upwards from there again. If you look closely at the weekly profile, you can see that this level is almost the point of control of the week. Now the point of control is actually in here, but the volumes in this rotation were just a little bit lower with the volume peak in here. So this is why I have the level in here. What I really like is how precise the level is, because the volume profile points you to one very clear level, which is in here. And from that level, this strong buying activity started. And when I see this, it's usually a very strong signal to trade from. Alright, so that's why I expect a reaction when the price makes it back. I think that that'll be a buying reaction from there. By the way, you can also see a very nice reaction to previous week point of control, which was in here. This was the reaction to it. Very precise one. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, you can visit my website, which is trader-dale.com. And in here, what I suggest, you go to trading course and tools. And on this page, you can enroll in one of my trading courses. There are 3 courses available. There is a learning pack, there is a trading pack, and what I recommend is the elite pack. The elite pack is a recommended pack because it includes all from the previous packs. So it includes full volume profile video course, which is 15-hour long video course on trading with volume profile. Then there's my personal trading levels, which you'll be getting every day. That's daily trading levels and also monthly swing trading levels. And what you'll also get with this elite pack is a volume profile pack, which includes all my volume profile indicators for NinjaTrader 8 and for MetaTrader 4. And as a bonus to all this, you will get a VWAP indicator, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8. This one is normally for $139, but you'll get that for free with this elite pack. Alright, so that's the recommended pack, recommended training package. There's also one more thing which I wanted to show you It's the order flow. It's very sophisticated software which I developed recently. It allows you to read the flow of the bid and ask on the markets. And I won't go into too much detail in this video. You can read more about the order flow on this page. You can also purchase it on this page. And what I also did is a beginner's guide to order flow. So if you go back to the home page, trader-dale.com, scroll down a bit, then there's the order flow beginner's guide. It's 4-part beginner's guide on trading with the order flow. You can read all the basics about the order flow in here in this 4-part guide. All right. So anyways, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then, happy trading.